Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Change for जीवन। सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, स्पेशली पीयूसी सेकेंड ईयर स्टूडेंट्स के लिए इस वीडियो में बिल्कुल ही एक अलग कॉन्सेप्ट लेकर आया हूँ। यहाँ पर मैंने कोशिश की है कि आई शुड रीड एक ऑडियो फॉर्मेट में 1 मार्क और 2 मार्क्स के आंसर को मैं रीड करूँगा, जिसको आप पढ़ भी सकते हो और आप सुन भी सकते हो। तो एक कुछ अलग है जिसको सुनने के बाद हो सकता है कि आप फ्री हो, कभी आप इसको बैठे बैठे अगर सुनोगे तो पॉसिबिलिटीज आर देयर यू कैन रिमेंबर दिस। सो विद दिस इंटेंशन, एक उद्देश्य के साथ मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा भी है और इसको पढ़ा भी है। तो ये पूरे आपके बिजनेस स्टडीज़ के बुक नंबर 1 जो है आपका, उसको कवर कर रहा है 1 मार्क 2 मार्क्स का। जितना हो सकता है मैंने उसको कवर किया है, और बाकी के जो भी और 1 मार्क 2 मार्क्स बचे होंगे दैट आई विल बी एडिंग इन टू द अपकमिंग वीडियोज़। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो which consists 1 mark 2 marks for business studies PUC second year. So here come the question number 1. What is management? So I'm just going to read the meaning. I'm not going to explain it क्योंकि मेरे जो भी explanation अगर आपको वीडियोस चाहिए तो मेरे YouTube चैनल पर हैं, आप जाकर वहाँ प्लेलिस्ट चेकआउट कर सकते हैं। So what is management? Management is defined as a process of getting things done with the aim of achieving goals. What is efficiency? It means doing the task correctly and with a minimum cost. Next question. A good manager walks through a combination of practice, creativity, imagination, initiative, and innovation. Next. What are the different levels of management? There are 3 levels of management. One is top level management, middle level, and supervisory or operational management. Next. What is planning? Planning is the function of the determining in advance what is to be done and who is to do it. Next, what is organizing? Organizing is a management function of assigning duties, grouping tasks, establishing authorized, allocating resources required to carry out a specific plan. Next, what is staffing? It is simply stated finding the right people for the right job. The Principles of Scientific Management, published in the year 1911. Who is the father of scientific management? F.W. Taylor. What is scientific management? It means knowing exactly you want men to do and seeing that they do it in the best and cheapest way. Next question. What is paternalistic style of management? In this type of management, the employer takes care of the needs of employees is called as paternalistic style of management. Next question is, what is standardization? It refers to the process of setting standards for every business activity. It can be standardization of process, raw material, time, product, machinery, methods for working conditions. Next question. What does foreman should have? A foreman should have intelligence, education, tact, grit, judgment, special knowledge, energy, honesty, and good health. What does simplification aims at? So simplification aims at eliminating unnecessary diversity of products. Next question. What is motion study? So motion study refers to the study of movements like lifting, putting objects, sitting and changing positions, etc., which are undertaken while doing a typical job. Next question. What is time study? Time study determines the standard time taken to perform a well-defined job. Next question. What does mental revolution involves? It involves change in the attitude of workers and management towards one another from competition to cooperation. अगला सवाल है, what is discipline? Discipline is the obedience to organizational rules and employment agreement which are necessary for the working of the organization. Next question. What is business environment? The term business environment means the sum total of all individuals, institutions, and other forces that are outside the control of a business enterprise but that may affect its performances. अगला सवाल है, what are threats? So threats refers to the external environment, trends, and changes that will hinder a firm's performances. Next question. What are traditions? So traditions define a social practice that have lasted for decade or even centuries. Next question. मतलब ये एक आंसर ही होगा. In India announced new industrial policy in July 1991. What is the primary function of management? So the primary function of management is planning. What is single use plan? So single use plan is developed for one time event or project. Such a course of action is not likely to be repeated in future. What is standing plan? Standing plan is used for activities that occur regularly over a period of time. Next question. What are policies? So policies are generally statements that guide thinking or channelize energies towards a particular direction. Next, what is organizational structure? Organizational structure can be defined as the framework within which managerial and operating tasks are performed. So demonetization was announced on November 8, 2016. Question आएगा, when does demonetization has been announced? So it has announced on November 8, 2016. Next question is, what are procedures? So procedures are routine steps on how to carry out activities. They are specified in a chronological order. Moving ahead with the next question, and the next question is, what is rule? Rules are specific statements that inform what is to be done. Next question is, what are programs? So programs are detailed statements about a project which outlines the objectives, policies, procedures, rules, tasks, human and physical resources required, and the budget to implement any course of action is called as programs. Next question is, what is budget? Budget is a statement of expected results expressed in a numerical terms. Next question, what is span of management? So the span of management refers to the number of subordinates that can be effectively managed by a superior. बढ़ते हैं अगले सवाल की ओर, and the next question is, what are the types of organizational structure? There are basically two types of organizational structure. One is functional structure and another one is divisional structure. Next question is, what is functional structure? So functional structure is an organizational design that groups similar or related jobs together. Next question is, what is formal organization? Formal organization refers to the organizational structure which is designed by the management to accomplish a particular task. Next, what is delegation? Delegation refers to the downward transfer of authority from superior to subordinates. Next question, what is the responsibility? What is responsibility? Responsibility is the obligation of subordinate to properly perform the assigned duty. What is decentralization? Decentralization refers to distribution of authority among more than one person. What is recruitment? Recruitment is a process of searching for prospective employees and stimulating them to apply for jobs in the organization. What is selection? Selection is the process of choosing from among the pool of the prospective job candidates developed at the stage of recruitment. What is performance appraisal? Performance appraisal means evaluating an employee's current and or past performance as against certain predetermined standards. What is promotion? Promotions are an integral part of people's career. They refer to being placed in position of increased responsibility. Next, what is compensation? Compensation refers to all forms of pay or rewards going to employees. What are the different sources of recruitment? So basically there are two sources of recruitment. One is internal and another one is external source of recruitment. Now what are transfers? Transfers involve shifting of an employee from one job to another job is called as transfers. Next, what is placement? Placement refers to the employee occupying the position or post for which the person has been selected. Next, what is orientation? Orientation is the process of introducing the selected employee to other employees and familiarizing him with the rules and policies of the organization. Next, what is education? Education is the process of increasing the knowledge and understanding of employees. Next, what is development? Development refers to the learning opportunities designed to help employees' growth. Next, what are the different training methods? So there are two different types of training methods are there. One is on the job and another one is off the job training method. Next, what is job rotation? The job rotation involves shifting the trainee from one department to another or from one job to another is called as job rotation. Next, what is directing? Directing means giving instructions and guiding people in doing work. Next, what are the elements of directing? There are 4 elements of directing. They are supervision, motivation, leadership, and communication. Next, supervisor acts as a link between. So supervisor acts as a link between workers and management. Next, what is incentive? So incentive means all measures which are used to motivate people to improve performance. Next, what are the types of incentives? There are 2 types of incentives. One is financial and second one is non-financial. Next question is, what are financial incentives? So financial incentives refers to incentives which are in direct monetary form or measurable in monetary term and serve to motivate people for better performance. Next, what is bonus? Bonus is an incentive offered over and above the wages, salaries to the employees. Next, what is education? Education is the process of increasing the knowledge and understanding of employees. Next, what is development? Development refers to the learning opportunities designed to help employees' growth. What is employee empowerment? Employee empowerment means giving more autonomy and powers to subordinates. Next, what is leadership? Leadership is the process of influencing the behavior of people by making them strive voluntarily towards the achievement of organizational goals. Next, what is employee participation? Employee participation means involving employees in decision making of the issues related to them. Next, define the term leader. The term leader emerges from leadership. An individual possessing attributes of leadership is known as a leader. What is the meaning of autocratic leader? An autocratic leader gives orders and expects his subordinates to obey those orders. Next, what do you mean by democratic leader? A democratic leader will develop action plans and makes decision in consultation with his subordinates. Next, what is informal communication? So informal communication means communication that take place without following the formal lines of communication is said to be informal communication. Next, what is controlling? Controlling means ensuring that activities in an organization are performed as per the plans. Next, what is ratio analysis? Ratio analysis refers to analysis of financial statements through computation of ratios. Next, what is management audit? Management audit refers to systematic appraisal of the overall performance of the management of an organization. Next, what is management information system? Management information system is a computer-based information system that provides information and support for effective management decision making. So this is what I want to tell in this video. इस वीडियो में I had tried my level best to bring in 1 mark and 2 marks. इसके अंदर मैंने एक्सप्लेन नहीं किया है, सिर्फ इसको मैंने पढ़ा है। जब भी आप फ्री हो आप इसको सुन सकते हो या आप इसको पढ़ सकते हो। इसी तरह की वीडियोस के लिए बने रहेगा अपने चैनल पर। एंड नेक्स्ट टाइम पॉसिबिलिटीज आर देयर, आई मे कम अप विथ 5 मार्क एंड 10 मार्क्स के आंसर्स भी लेकर आऊँगा। इफ़ यू नॉट सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब, लाइक, शेयर। विल सी नेक्स्ट टाइम, टिल देन टेक केयर, बाय बाय। वन लाइफ, मैनी ड्रीम्स।